Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on volume, capacity and area. Volume. Volume is the amount of three-dimensional space that is contained within a 3D object. Now 3D stands for three-dimensional. Once we know the volume of any 3D object, we can calculate the capacity of that object. For example, a 3D object has a volume of 1,000 cubic centimeters. From this information we know that the object has a capacity of 1,000 milliliters. This is the case because 1 cubic centimeter has a capacity of 1 milliliter. Since 1,000 milliliters equal 1 litre, we know that the object in question has a capacity of 1 litre. Capacity. Just to clarify, capacity is a measure of how much liquid a 3D object will hold. For example, a fuel tank in a car may have a capacity of 80 litres of fuel. Water tanks similar to the one above are normally used for irrigation or for drinking water. The above water tank has a capacity of 5,000 litres. Kilolitres and megalitres. 1 kilolitre equals 1,000 litres. 1 megalitre equals 1,000,000 litres. The above units are normally used for such things as swimming pools and dams. Area. Area is the measure of the amount of flat surface which is contained within the boundaries of a flat shape. Smaller areas can be measured in square meters, for example. The area of the above beautiful lawn and garden may have a combined area of 80 square meters, for example. Larger areas are sometimes measured in hectares. For example, the golf course below may have an area of between 40 and 60 hectares.